In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send recurring emails in Outlook with a simple 5-minute Power Automate setup. We'll break it down step by step, so by the end, you'll have your automated email ready to go without needing any complex coding skills. First, we're going to create a scheduled flow in Power Automate. Start by heading over to Power Automate. Once you're there, look for the option to create a new workflow. Choose Create and then Scheduled Cloud Flow. This is what will allow us to automate the sending of emails. You'll need to give your flow a name, something descriptive like Weekly Status, Report, Personal, Works Well. Next, specify the start time and date when you'd like your email automation to begin. Set it to repeat every week by entering 1 and selecting Week from the drop-down menu. Hit Create, and your basic schedule is set. Now, if you need more control over when these emails are sent, for instance, if you need them to go out only on specific days like every Monday, Power Automate makes this easy. Click on Show Advanced Options under the Recurrence trigger. Here, you'll select your local time zone, which ensures your emails are sent at the right time according to where you are in the world. Then, choose the particular days you want your emails dispatched, such as Monday if you're sending a weekly update. With the schedule in place, it's time to add the Outlook.com action. Within your flow, click New Step. This is where the magic connects with your email service. In the search bar, type Outlook.com and choose the action that says Send an Email, V2. You'll be prompted to sign in, using your personal Microsoft account to establish the connection. Now, let's configure the details of your email. Start by entering the email address of your recipient in the To field. This can either be a static email or you can use dynamic content if needed. Next, add a compelling subject line that succinctly describes the email's purpose. Something like Weekly Team Update, %UTC Now, gives it both context and a timestamp. Then, type your full message in the body section of the email. If you want to add a bit of flair, HTML formatting can be used. All that's left is to save your work. Click Save at the top of the screen and you're nearly there. To make sure everything is set up correctly, click on Test, also located in the top right corner. Choose to run the test manually. It's a quick way to confirm that your email sends properly from your Outlook account. And that's it. You've now set up your flow to run automatically on the defined schedule, saving you time and ensuring consistency in your communications.